Hello guys, I'm Azhar, and in this video I will teach you graphical user interface GUI, pronounced as GUI programming using Python. So this is what we use in our applications, which the user will see. For example, we have an application and it has some buttons, some labels, some tables, everything. It is included in graphical user interface. So for this we have a module called tk-enter. So what will we do? We will import that module. So for this I will use a keyword called from space. I will write the name of that module, tk-enter, and again space. I will write import and I will add a star. This star indicates that import everything from this module. So now we have imported everything from tk-enter module. What will we do now? We will make our root window now. So what is a root window? Root window is basically that window. It is the main window which is launched whenever we launch our application. So to make that root window, I will write root and it will be equal to tk class. So this is the thing which will provide us the root window, and after that I will run this window in a loop. So for this I will write root dot main loop. So let's see the function of this main loop. So I will run this. As you can see here, a windows is appeared here. If it's not appearing here, it is there behind this PyCharm main window. So this is our window. It is blank, it contains nothing, and here as you can see our program is running. It is not yet ended. If it is ended, it will have shown us a message over here. So now I will close this window, and as you can see it has shown a message, process finished with exit code 0. So if I remove this root.main loop, you will see that the window will pop up once and then the program will exit. Let's try. As you can see, the program is ended. So to run our window over and over again without closing, we use main loop, right? So this was the function of main loop. Now let's run it again. So this is our window, and this window we will be having some buttons, some labels and other widgets which we will discuss further in this course, and it will be displayed here. So if we have an application, the front end of that application is dependent upon graphical user interface. The graphical user interface basically means that what the users see. It doesn't include the whole programming behind that, but it is just concerned with the appearance of our application. So I hope that you will have liked this video. If you like it, so hit the like button, and if you have any question regarding programming and electronics, you can ask me in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video so that more and more people can learn this. Thank you.